Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting now? Position the donor truck close and set both parking brakes. Open hoods and expose the batteries, remove terminal covers. Put on gloves and eye protection so you don't touch metal. Attach the red jumper clamp to the F350's positive terminal first, and then clip the other red clamp to the donor battery's positive. Make sure clamps are snug on clean metal. Once done, do not connect any negative clamps yet. Prepare to place the last clamp on a solid ground point instead of negative post. Now connect the black clamp to the donor battery's negative terminal, then attach the final black clamp to a bare metal ground on the F350, an engine block bolt or bracket, away from the fuel system. Start the donor engine and let it idle to build charge. Diesels need a solid charge. After 2 to 5 minutes, attempt to crank the F350 in short bursts, no more than 15 seconds, pausing a minute between attempts to avoid overheating the starter. If it turns over, keep it running to recharge the battery. With the engine running, remove clamps in reverse. First the ground clamp on your truck, then the donor negative, then donor positive, and finally the positive on the F350. Make sure clamps don't touch each other or metal while removing. Keep the F350 idling or drive for at least 20 to 30 minutes to recharge the battery. If the truck still won't start, don't keep cranking. Check for weak battery or faulty glow plugs. Confirm there's fuel, and call roadside assistance or a mechanic if the problem persists.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.